Hello, my name is Ala Bokun and I'm an Industry Liaison Manager at K.I.T Group. Our experiences, statistics, and survey results have shown that commercial education becomes more appealing when moderated or smartly embedded in the program. Digital roundtables, case-specific pitches, joint case studies, and many more ideas how to embed educational sponsorship in virtual scientific events have brought many satisfying offers to our industry partners. Conferences are all about connections, and the digital format certainly does not mean that engagement and personal interactions are not happening. On the contrary, the digital format brings new opportunities. From our experience, the most effective engagement tools are Q&As, polling, Twitter, voting, surveys, and virtual breakout rooms.